Yoga today is chest opening yoga practice. We are staying in each pose for approximately 1 minute. If you want to stay there longer, you can pause your video and continue when you feel like it. You will need blocks for this practice. And before we start, remember to read the description of this video. You find up-to-date information from there. And then we are ready to start. So have your blocks. One of them comes under your shoulder blades and other one under your head. And make sure that you are comfortable, your back is comfortable on top of the block. And then open your knees wide apart, bring the soles of your feet together, and bring your arms to your sides toward your shoulder level. Make sure that your neck or your shoulders are relaxed. You can close your eyes and start breathing in through your nose and out through your nose. And feel how your chest is opening while you are inhaling deeply and exhaling completely. And continue like this for a little while. You can slowly release yourself and remove the blocks and put them on the side of your mat, and then come back and lie on your back. We are making more space to our sides, so you can come and lie down, bring your arms over your head, lift your legs up and turn them to your left. So we are making space to our right side. So let your legs rest. And again, remember the deep breaths, so you are able to bring a little bit more space to your right side. Breathing in fully and deeply and exhaling completely. Staying here for a little while. You can then lift your legs up. We are switching sides. So bringing your legs back to center and turning them to your right. Again, your arms are on your head. Breathing here, bringing space to your left side. Again, remember to breathe fully and deeply. And feel the stretch on your left side. Feel the space on your left side. Again, you can slowly release, bring your feet back to center and lift yourself up to seated, and from there, come lie on your belly. We are coming to Sphinx, so bring your elbows under your shoulders and your wrists are in front of your elbows, palms down, neck straight and long. You can bring your shoulders back and down, feel the feeling in between your shoulder blades, and then relax. And let your chest open mildly, gently, breathing here for a little while. And then slowly release and come lie on your belly. Few breaths here. And then slowly lift yourself up, bring your palms onto your mat and scroll down onto your mat. Come up and come down. Keep your back rolling. And then we are staying up in our baby cobra. Breathing in here fully and deeply. Opening our chest a little bit more. And it's up to you how up you are coming from here. You can have your palms a little bit forward if you want to make it a little bit more gentle. But breathe here for a few breaths. And then come down and place your right hand onto your side, on your shoulder level, and come to your right side, lie on your right side. You can have your knees bended in front of you, or you can have your right leg straight and bring your left leg over your right and your left hand behind your back. We are again opening our chest, breathing in fully and deeply, exhaling completely. This is especially good pose if you are sitting a lot, you feel like your posture is coming a little bit, how do I say, closed up. So this is really good pose for that. And then slowly you can start to release. We are switching sides, left hand onto your side, on your shoulder level, come onto your right leg and lie on your left side. And bring your right leg, if you wish, over your left and your hand behind your back. Breathing here fully and deeply, opening your chest, feeling the sensations also on your back. And breathing here for a little while. And then slowly you can start to release and come up to seated position. Open your feet wide apart, your toes pointing toward the ceiling. And we are doing side bends from here. So place your left hand on the left leg, behind or front of the left leg, and your right hand is coming over your head, and we are stretching the right side of the body. And now remember that we are coming sideways on the leg, so don't try to turn your upper body toward your leg. We want to stretch our side really good. So breathe here and feel the stretch in your side, maybe also in your legs. And slowly you can start to release as we are switching sides. Right hand behind or in front of your right leg and left hand over your head. Stretching the left side of the body. Feel how it feels, how the second side is feeling. And breathe in fully and deeply. Slowly you can start to release yourself and come and lie down. We are ready for our Savasana, our final relaxation, which is really important part of the practice, by the way, so don't skip it. So it's your place to digest the practice, let go of the practice. So let your feet open outward a little, let your hands or your arms left rest on the side of your body. You can close your eyes and remember this is the point where you don't have to do anything. Nothing is broken or needs fixing of any kind, but everything is just perfect. So continue on breathing here and let your body come more relaxed. Let your muscle tension melt away and let the wave of relaxation lift up from your feet all the way to the crown of your head. Quote today goes like this: when the breath wanders, the mind is unsteady, but when the breath is still, so is the mind. You can start to invite a little bit movement into your body. Move your fingers and your toes and maybe lift your arms over your head and stretch yourself. And from there, lift your knees up and hug them in. Maybe rock yourself from side to side. And then lift yourself up to seated. Find comfortable seated position, keeping your chest open, letting your palms rest on your knees or on your lap, and feeling gratitude toward the practice that you just did, remembering that it was perfect as it was. And I want to thank you for sharing this moment with me today. You can lift your palms onto your heart center, and from there lift your thumbs in between your brows. Make a little bow to say thank you. The light within me honors the light within you. Namaste. And we see each other again next time. And remember, if you haven't already, to comment, like and subscribe to this channel. Bye now.